Hey, good afternoon. This is Mike Biardi, and we're going to do a trade on one of my favorite stocks, GameStop. So let's get started here. So here's the reason why um, we're gonna this is GameStop. I normally look at the 6 month, kind of just trending here, but moreover. It's kind of risen to the over 50%, 60% uh, area of profit zone for my selling put. So we're going to sell a put, or we're going to roll it. Here it is. It's a 63% gain, right? Because we sold this May 750. Now think about it. It's trading above 20 right now. We did this back in beginning of November, and now it's up 63%. So we're going to just sell it. We're going to roll it. Um, so that's the reason why. Here's the chart. Again, it's trading 2059 down 2.8% today. It's pretty volatile. So normally I do a risk graph, but the volatility is too great for it. So that's kind of a good time to sell. So as you see, I do like GameStop. I have several positions in it. So the first thing we got to do is um, remember it's the May 750. So first thing we're going to do is cancel an existing order. Here's the open orders. There's a 750. So first thing we got to do is cancel this one because we won't be able to roll it. So we canceled that. Now it's heard a ding on my phone, so that means the cancel probably went off. But here's so we're gonna have to go back into GameStop. We're gonna go into the position. We're looking at the 750, which is pretty low, right? I mean, boy, wouldn't that be great if we got assigned at 750, right? So that's the risk getting assigned at 750. So we're gonna roll this, right? So we're gonna roll it. Seven is there's not much credit there. So and looking at June, so I kept going out in months, and then we have April, May, June position. So we're just gonna roll out to August. And we're going to go up in price. We're going to go up to 10. And then look at that, 85 by 61. That's not bad. We can almost even do a market and see what they see what kind of see what they can do for us. And one of the main reasons I'm doing it is I don't think this 15 cents. I don't think I'm ever going to get that. Look at that big spread, and here's a even big spread there. Um, so now what price do we do? Well, let's see if we'll do a net credit at 80. If it doesn't go off, we'll make it a market. We'll turn it into a market order. I think we're gonna get. Um, I think we'll get it. Let's see. We'll wait a minute or two and see if it goes off. Yeah, view impact. So it's only $850 margin impact. Um, or so let's place the trade and see what happens. Oop! I heard a beep. So that must mean we the trade went off. So we'll have to um let's see what happened. Um, yeah. So if there's an August in here, there it is. So now 97 cents. Look at that. That's pretty damn good, right? Holy cow! Right? I mean, they must have. Um, so the first thing we're going to do is put a closing order in, right? At point 10, and we're going to do it good for 60 days. So this is know your exit before your entrance, and we're closing it. Here we are, and there's only very little impact, 15 cents. So definitely going to do that. So that's the trade. Remember, a financial advisor, not your financial advisor, offer that you speak to a professional, and particularly when you're dealing with your serious money. But with your play money like this, I'm happy to talk about that as well. Anyway, that's a trade on GameStop. And as for me, I like the stock.